On today's first look, we have a 1989 Chevrolet K5 Blazer, lot number 1032.1. This original untouched 1989 Chevrolet K5 Blazer is powered by a 5.7 liter V8 engine with the electronic fuel injection mated to an optional 4-speed automatic transmission. The original window sticker is still attached to the passenger window. This Blazer is optioned with a preferred equipment group, which includes a tuned Delco AM/FM radio, power windows, power locks, column-mounted smart switch, comfort tilt steering wheel, air conditioning, cruise control, and is also optioned with the heavy-duty trailering special equipment. The original gray metallic paint still presents as new, and the exterior is optioned with the 2 sliding side quarter windows with wing vents. The hardtop is completely removable. All the tinted glass, trim, rally wheels, and optional 31 by 10.5 inch tires and chrome and front rear bumpers are still in amazing condition. The original spare tire is also mounted and has never been removed. The tailgate has a motorized rear windshield built in that can be raised or lowered by a key from the outside or by a switch on the dash. The original interior has been preserved by the original dealer plastic, which was never removed. This Blazer is still in the wrapper and has 22 actual miles. And the best part? Selling with no reserve at our 2024 Scottsdale auction held January 20th through the 28th. Go to barrett-jackson.com and register to bid today. See you there.